This one's wild. It's called Lake Day Punch. Anybody know what this is? Sugar? Vodka. Okay, you've never seen nothing like this before. I need a little funnel to make this work right. Look at the sugar. In case you're curious, guys, this is 2 cups of sugar. I'm sorry, 2 1/3 cups of sugar. I've just been told by our mathematician here. We got to get our Kool-Aid in. And we're using blue raspberry lemonade. Anyone ever seen a real blue raspberry in the wild? Just curious. Okay. Now we come behind with our vodka, juice of life. You could smell Vladimir Putin all over this. All right, beautiful. This is the real deal. Control your pores, Sky. You must be smooth. This is what you do. You're spilling. You should not spill. The pour must be continuous and smooth. You seal this bad boy up, right? And you just let it sit. No, you don't. You gotta get this to dissolve as much as possible. Hey, there's no way to dissolve this much sugar in a who sent us this? This was sent by one of you guys. D-Nice502, okay? D-Nice. You wonder why he used an alias, right? He didn't want you to know he was responsible for this. So guys, now you come behind with water, and it makes sense because there's Kool-Aid in there, right? So now you come with your water. Look at my poor man. And Sky, you should not need 2 hands to hold this. You should be able to do it with 1. And go higher. And there should be no spill. Because this is what you do. And guys, in case you're curious, this is really great water. We're using Avion. What's it called? Oh, sorry.
Avion is tequila.
Sorry. My bad. Avion. Avion. What? One of them ons, okay? It ends in on. Okay, guys. You still don't drink it yet. You can, but you don't. You know why? Because you need this to turn into a slush. See, now you put it in the freezer. I love the color though, D-Nice. Oh, yeah, baby. Ow! Giving it a little shake because I want it slushy-like, okay? And there you have it! The Lake Day Punch. So now look at this. It's nice and slushy. Get in on the slush, okay? You don't have to use a martini glass. I know many of you all don't have this, okay? Mayonnaise jar is fine, okay? Before I turned classy, I used a mayonnaise jar too. But in 2020, I put my mayonnaise jar aside because I said I'm now an adult. No more drinking out of mayonnaise jar. Because you have that little film floating on top because it wasn't washed properly, okay? I've been there, okay? Anyway, as always, drink responsibly. Never drink and drive, but not a little film of mayonnaise, okay? Never bothered me until now because I'm classy. All right, later.